Mr. Levy Hallstrom. Oh, please be good. This is very mid, but I'll take it.
Oh, what? Oh my god! In the first 20 cases of the stream, bro, I look down and I look back up and we get this in the first 20 cases? Holy shit! Oh my god. What a way to start a video. I haven't even put away the giveaway knives yet. Holy hell.
Here comes the money. Money.
That's crazy.
Is that a fucking... That's not a fucking
Nah.
sapphire. It's not sapphire. Oh my god, I need to go get my fucking roommates.
Open to keep? For me? Permanently? There's no way! What? Whoa! No way, this is my first knife! No fucking way, no way. Hold on. On camera!
Here we go. Shut up! Oh my gosh! Shut up! Oh my gosh. And they're field tested. But oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my fucking god.
Try to get planted.
What?
Oh my fucking god. Got a knife.
What? Oh! He just got fucking karambit!
I just got a
He just got fucking karambit!
holy shit.
My own hands, yeah. We get it twisted sometimes for the hobby. We missed the trade up today. We lost like 13 knives, 14 knives probably. Oh! Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Well-worn gun knife stained?
Note that to me later to make that command. Come on.
I got the long dog. Let's go.
12 coins for that game. Won't mind if I do. Wow. I never get anything good out of these things. Oh!
What'd you get?
Oh!
fucking way.
How much is that fucking worth? That's a.
Wie 6 Rolle. Gold, gold, gold.
Oh!
Alter, was?
Come on, I feel a gold today. I feel a gold today. I feel it. I feel it. Come on, give me it. Factory new, please factory new at least. Damn it.
This is a gold 20 cases right now.
Ooh.
The console case returns.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, what? Oh shit! What? What? Oh my god! That is great! What? What? What the? That is so nice! That is so nice! There's no way! Did you have your clipping on? Clip that! What just happened? What? It's open 20 cases. I'm clipping it. I'm clipping them. No.
I can play now if you're done, T.
Yeah, T, play with Zipple. I gotta open cases here, bro. I gotta open these cases.
Oh my god.
Oh, I got another knife! M9 Crimson Web!
No way. No way.
No, it's a sick knife. What condition?
Oh my god.
Let me see, let me see.
Oh my god. What, you fucker?
M9 Crimson Web!
You don't show me.
Oh my god, that's a second knife today, baby. Something's up.
Screen.
I
oh my
did.
God.
Something's up.
Wow. That's a nice one.
Something's up.
Is that minimal wear? It looks minimal wear.
It's fucking
lagging. Yeah, it's definitely minimal wear.
The hole is so clean.
It might be like
minimal wear. Minimal wear.
0.09.
I can't see it's lagging.
Yeah, I can't see your screen either.
Gold. Gold. Gold.
Somehow.
And. Yeah! Give me some rampant!
Very active. Go to CS2 talk and talk if you like hanging out in Discord chats. Nomad knife vanilla? Oh my god! W! But we are not even supposed to get that out of this case, right? We're not even supposed to get this out of this case, right? Bro. I feel like this is more aura than having the Black Pearl. I might sell the Black Pearl now.
I already know it's gonna break all.